Axos Bank Checking Account Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? If you're looking for a modern checking account in 2025, chances are you've come across Axos Bank. Known for its digital-first approach, high-yield options, and low-fee structure, Axos Bank has positioned itself as a contender for both tech-savvy consumers and small business owners. But is it truly worth your time, or should you leave it? Today, we're diving deep into everything you need to know about Axos Bank checking accounts, including features, benefits, potential drawbacks, and who should actually consider opening one. Let's start with the basics. Axos Bank is an online-only bank, meaning it doesn't have physical branches. While that may sound like a downside for those used to in-person banking, it allows the bank to cut costs and pass those savings on to customers in the form of higher interest rates, lower fees, and more flexible account options. The bank is FDIC insured, which means your deposits are protected up to $250,000 just like traditional banks. Axos offers multiple checking account options, each tailored to different types of customers. The most popular is the Axos Basic Checking Account. It comes with no monthly maintenance fees, unlimited domestic ATM reimbursements, and no minimum balance requirement. This is significant because many traditional banks charge monthly fees that can add up quickly, especially for customers who may not maintain a high balance consistently. For those who want to earn interest on their checking balance, Axos also offers the Rewards Checking Account. As of 2025, this account can offer interest rates that are substantially higher than the national average for traditional checking accounts. For example, with a balance between $1,500 and $50,000, customers can earn interest while still enjoying fee-free banking. Keep in mind, though, that qualifying for rewards often requires meeting certain conditions, such as making a minimum number of debit card transactions each month or enrolling in e-statements. Another account type worth noting is the Cashback Checking Account. This one is designed for consumers who spend heavily on their debit cards. Customers can earn a percentage of cash back on signature-based debit card purchases. For example, if you spend $1,000 per month on eligible purchases and the cashback rate is 1%, you would earn $10 in rewards each month. While it may not seem like a huge amount, it can add up over time, especially for everyday spending like groceries, gas, or online shopping. Opening an account is quick and fully digital. You can apply online, submit identification documents, and fund the account via ACH transfer or mobile check deposit. Because Axos is online only, you won't have to wait in lines or schedule appointments, which is a major convenience for busy people or those who live far from bank branches. Once your account is active, you can manage everything through Axos web portal or mobile app, both of which are known for being user-friendly and robust. Now, let's talk about ATM access. One of the biggest concerns for online-only banks is access to cash. Axos addresses this by reimbursing fees from domestic ATMs, allowing customers to use nearly any ATM without worrying about additional charges. This is a significant perk compared to traditional banks that may charge their own ATM fees in addition to the fees imposed by the ATM operator. For international travelers, Axos also provides some ATM fee reimbursements, but it's wise to check the latest terms before relying on it abroad. Customer service is another important factor. Axos Bank offers 24/7 customer support via phone and secure messaging. While there's no in-person branch experience, the bank's support team is generally responsive and knowledgeable about account features, transfers, and troubleshooting. Many online-only bank customers prefer this model, as it allows issues to be resolved quickly without the need for physical visits. Security is a critical consideration, and Axos Bank does not disappoint. Accounts are protected with multi-factor authentication, encryption, and account alerts. For online banking, these security measures are essential to protect against unauthorized access. Additionally, the FDIC insurance ensures that even in the unlikely event of a bank failure, your deposits are safe. Let's break down some practical examples. Suppose you're a young professional with an average monthly balance of $3,000 and frequent debit card usage. By opening an Axos Rewards checking account, you could earn interest on your balance while avoiding monthly fees. If you also make 20 debit card transactions per month, you could qualify for the highest interest tier, effectively making your checking account work for you instead of costing you money. Combine that with unlimited ATM reimbursements, and you have a versatile account for daily use. Contrast this with someone who travels frequently abroad. They could benefit from Axos international ATM fee reimbursements and cashback opportunities. While traditional banks often impose high foreign transaction fees, Axos keeps costs low, making it easier to access funds while traveling without excessive charges. Of course, there are potential drawbacks. Because Axos is online only, deposits involving cash are not as straightforward, while mobile check deposits and ACH transfers are easy. If you frequently receive physical cash payments, you'll need to plan for alternative deposit methods. Additionally, some users may prefer face-to-face banking, especially for complex financial products or personalized advice. For these customers, Axos' digital model may feel limiting. Another consideration is the requirements for rewards. If you fail to meet the minimum debit card transactions or other conditions for the rewards checking account, your interest rate may drop significantly. It's important to understand these requirements and ensure your spending habits align with the account's criteria to maximize benefits. Fees are generally low, but there are still some to be aware of. For example, wire transfers may carry a fee, and while domestic ATM withdrawals are reimbursed, international fees may have limitations. It's always a good idea to review the fee schedule carefully to avoid surprises. In terms of technology, Axos excels. The mobile app allows for mobile check deposits, balance monitoring, fund transfers, and bill pay. Push notifications keep you informed of account activity in real time. Many customers find this digital-first approach convenient and time-saving, especially if they are comfortable managing finances through a smartphone or computer. Integration with other financial services is also a strength. Axos offers personal loans, home loans, and business banking products. Customers who open multiple accounts or services with Axos can benefit from a centralized online portal, simplifying management and giving a clear view of overall finances. This is particularly useful for small business owners or freelancers who want to consolidate their banking. To summarize, Axos Bank checking accounts offer a mix of low fees, competitive interest rates, and digital convenience. They are ideal for tech-savvy individuals, professionals, and small business owners who are comfortable with online banking and want to maximize the value of their checking account. The bank's high-yield rewards and cashback options make it a strong contender compared to traditional banks, particularly for those who meet the requirements to qualify for these benefits. The bottom line is that Axos Bank is worth considering in 2025 if you value convenience, low fees, and the potential to earn interest or cashback. While it may not be ideal for customers who need frequent cash deposits or in-person banking, for most online-oriented users, it offers flexibility, efficiency, and tangible financial benefits. In conclusion, Axos Bank checking accounts provide a modern approach to banking, focusing on digital accessibility, rewards, and minimal costs. Whether you're looking to earn interest on your checking balance, gain cashback rewards, or simply avoid monthly fees, Axos has an option that fits your needs. For anyone ready to embrace online banking in 2025, Axos Bank is definitely worth a closer look.